Alright, we are going to look at Chapter 4, Section 5 on solving two-step equations. Okay, and let's do these review problems first, again, like we did last time, and just see how well you do. Okay. And for number 1, did you get x is 14? Number 2, a is 31. Okay, try these ones. Alright. Did you get y equals 2 and 2/3? And x is a negative 7. Okay. Right. If you got those right, smiley face them. And the last problem here, did you get x is 28? Again, if you got that right, smiley face. Alright. Here's some rules for solving two-step equations. First thing we need to do is get rid of the constant, or the plain number, just first by adding and subtracting. Okay. Then we get rid of the coefficient, which is the number next to the variable, by multiplying or dividing. Okay, so make sure you write those steps down in your notes. Alright, so let's do one of these. So I want to solve the equation and show my work while I do it. So I need to get these constants gone first. So I need to add 7 to both sides. So I leave the 6x, I bring that there, this goes to 0, drop my equal sign. 5 plus 7 is 12. Get x by itself, so I have to divide this time. X equals 2. Okay. Okay, on this one, again, we got to move the constant so we can have this all on one just side. Minus 7. So 3y equals 27. Okay. Divide by 3. Remember to undo that multiplication. Y is 9. Okay, and then to check. So to check it, we just put our answer back in there, okay, like we were doing before. So 3 times 9 plus 7 needs to equal 34. Well, 3 times 9 is 27. I'm going to add 7 to that, and if 27 plus 7 is 34, we've done it correctly, and sure enough, it is. Okay. So we're good. Yay. Alright, let's do this one. Okay, now this time, my constant's on the other side, but I'm still going to solve it the same way. Since it's a positive, I subtract it. And I get a negative x equals 7 minus 5, which is 2. So this negative means it's a negative 1 in front. So I divide both sides by a negative 1. So x is negative 2. Okay. This one, going to combine our like terms. So b minus 3b, I do that first, so I'm going to get a negative 2b plus 8 equals 18. Now we're going to move the constant and put them beside each other. Bring that equal sign down, bring that negative 2b down. 18 minus 8 is 10. Divide by negative 2. So b equals a negative 5. Alright, and let's try this one. Again, move that constant first. Bring down the 4p. This reduces to 0. I bring down my equal sign. 25 minus 9 is 14. Divide both, oh sorry, not 14. 16. Oops. 16. Okay, undo 4 times p by dividing by 4 on both sides. P equals 4. Okay, and then I'm going to do this one, and then I have a few for you to try on your own. Alright, so here, I'm going to add 6. And, whoa, sorry. I'm going to add 6. So I get P over 4 equals negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. Multiply by 4 on both sides. So P equals a negative 8. Okay. Alright. Try these ones on your own. Did you get n equals 4? y, negative y equals a negative 13. Okay. So divide both sides by -1. So y is 13. And then here, combine them, you get 1.2t equals 4.8. So t equals 4. Okay, if you got all three of those, give yourself that smiley face. Alright, and then try these ones on your own. Okay, this time I'm going to do the work. Okay, so y over 4 minus 6 equals -8. Add 6. Y divided by 4 equals a -2. Multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. So y is a -8. Okay. And this one, I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Get 7 equals 1/4 x. Multiply both sides by 4 over 1. Multiply both sides by 4 over 1. So I get 28 equals x. And here, add 3. So 8 over 4 equals 4. Again, we're going to multiply both sides by 4. So a equals 16. You got those right, give yourself a smiley face. Alright, that concluded our lesson. Go ahead and summarize by answering those questions. Have a great evening, and I will see you in the morning.